Hello guys, I'll be designing something amazing today, so let's quickly get to work. So I've created my text, then I'll bring in a background. I'll make the background 1:1. That's our standard ratio, so I'll be able to post the design anywhere, whether on Instagram, Facebook, or any social media platform. So right now I'm trying to add a shape to the background, then I'll give the shape a gradient color. Watch the way I'm going to do it. There are actually two layers here. One is transparent, then one is with the color. Note the color that I'm using. As for the transparent one, you simply slide the arrow to the edge, then the second one to the transparent side. So I think it's okay like this. So after our design, we can adjust our layers to suit our taste. But for now, let's continue. So now I'll bring in my shadow. Watch the way I'm going to use this shadow in my design. It's pretty easy. So to download your shadow, you can go to png3.com. So now I'm going to use my Bezier tool to create a shape. If you do not know how to use this Bezier tool, please watch the video I created on it. The video will help you to get familiar with the features of this tool. It's pretty easy. So just go to my YouTube channel, search the videos there, and you'll see that particular video on how to use the Bezier tool. So try to position your stroke properly so that you get the results that you want. So this is it. So now I'll add other points to create something like a rectangle, like four-sided shape. Now enclose it. So you can see I increased my opacity, then I added the color. If you don't increase your opacity, you will not be able to add your color, so make sure you do that. Then I'll drag my purple layer beneath the PNG layer. It's okay like this, so you can see it's very easy. So now I want to create my phone mockup. I'll be adding my screenshots to it. Just watch the way I'm going to do it. Position your mockup very well. Here you can use your grid lines to ensure accuracy. Then for proper alignment too. As a graphic designer, you should know this. Well, let me bring in my screenshot. This is my screenshot. You don't need to crop the screenshot, so just give it a suitable size, a size that can fit into the phone mockup. Be careful when doing this so that you get a perfect result. It's pretty easy. So for those wondering where I got my phone mockup from, you can download it from png3 freepix.com, and then those free sites that I highlighted in one of my videos some time ago. Now I'll use my eraser tool. Okay, before then I'll use my perspective tool to position the screenshot properly on the phone mockup. So just be careful when doing this. Position it properly. You don't need to hurry when doing this. For you to get a good result, just be careful with what you do. Take your time to position your edges very well so that it will look real. It should look very real, and your viewers should be impressed too. Yeah, almost done. Almost done. Take your time, adjust very well to suit your mock-up. Well, as for the edges that is still visible, we'll use our eraser to erase the parts. Before you erase, you increase your blur radius, then reduce your pen size a little, then your pen length too. Just be careful so that you don't wipe off the other parts of the screenshots. Be careful. Yeah. Yeah, we're almost done, but I can still see some parts I need to remove. So I'll activate my eraser tool again, then use it to wipe off that extra part of it. I think that's the bottom part. So just do it. So remember to increase your blur radius, then reduce your pen size a little, then give it pen length. Eraser length. Yeah, we are done. It's looking so real. So now let's continue with other parts of the design. I need to put in my text. But while doing this, I'll make sure that I choose a suitable size, then the right font. Please note the font that I'm using. All these are my personal fonts. To learn how to download your own font, you can watch the video that I uploaded in my YouTube channel some time ago. Watch the video so that you will learn how to download your own fonts of your choice, and also how to compress the fonts so that you'll be able to make use of them in your pixellab. So this is it. I'll give it space because of the fonts that I applied. I'll increase my letter spacing. Most persons do not know the essence of using letter spacing and line spacing, but please learn. Applying letter spacing and line spacing when designing will help to give your context breathing space. The words we have breathing space, it won't be jam-packed. So as a graphic designer, learn to organize your context very well so that it will not appear too busy to the eyes. My grid line 2 is activated already, so let me position my text properly. So take note of the way I organize my work, my text. The importance of alignment in your work cannot be overemphasized. Note that I'm not going to mesh the two texts, but I'll just select layers, then move them down together. So now my next task, yeah. Yeah, all you just need to do is to give this a background. Okay, make it white, then give it a background. Then you increase the left padding and right padding, and the top padding too, then the bottom. You also increase the radius, make it circular, depending on how you want yours. It gives beauty to your design. Yeah, all I'm trying to do is to create contrasts. Alignment, proper organization, and contrast should stand out in a good design. So take that to heart. Please learn how to duplicate tests so that you won't end up doing the same thing over and over again. So this will help to save time. And just watch. Almost done with this design. You can see how simple it is. It's not as complicated as you may think. I create videos that will help you learn how to design from the scratch easily. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos if you find it helpful.